Good morning to all. I am G.A. Hegde, working as Associate Professor, Department of Chemistry, KGF First Aid College, KGF, Urgaon. Today, we shall discuss about inorganic polymers. This chapter is included from 3rd semester BSc, Bangalore North University. In the first session, we will be discussing about the inorganic polymers. Under this inorganic polymers, we shall discuss types of polymers, difference between organic and inorganic polymers, and types of polymerizations. After studying this, you will understand about what are polymers, the types of polymers, the difference between inorganic and organic polymers, different types of polymerizations, and also the difference between thermosetting and thermoplastics. In order to understand this, you must know the definition of polymer, what is a monomeric unit, a knowledge of monomer and a polymer, and also the addition and condensation reactions. With this, let us discuss about polymers. Polymers are the compounds of high molecular weight. The structure of polymers are composed of large number of simple repeating units known as monomers. The process is known as polymerization. The types of polymers. The first one is inorganic polymers. These are the polymers which do not contain carbon. For example, silicones, phosphazines, etc. And the second type is organic polymers. These are the polymers which are made up of carbon. For example, polythene, PVC, etc. The next type of classification is natural polymers. These are the polymers which occurs naturally. For example, starch, silk, etc. Synthetic polymers. These are the polymers which are artificially prepared. For example, nylon, bakelite, etc. Difference between organic and inorganic polymer. The first one, organic polymers burns in air producing smoke. Inorganic polymers does not burns in air, they melts or softens. The second difference is organic polymers are soft or smooth. Inorganic polymers are hard and rigid. The third difference, organic polymers are flexible. Inorganic polymers are not flexible. The fourth difference is soluble in organic solvents, whereas the inorganic polymers are soluble in inorganic or polar solvents. The fifth one is organic polymers are weak, soft, and less brittle. Inorganic polymers are strong, hard, and brittle. The last one, organic polymers occurs partially crystalline. Inorganic polymers occurs purely crystalline. Types of polymerization. There are two types. The first one is addition polymerization. This type of polymers are formed by addition of monomers. During the process, the double bonds are replaced by single bonds. For example, polythene. Ethylene undergoes polymerization to polyethylene or polythene. The second type, condensation polymerization. In this process, two different monomers condenses to form a molecule of polymer. During the process, simple molecules like water, alcohol, hydrogen chloride, etc. are eliminated. For example, nylon 66. One molecule of adipic acid condenses with one molecule of hexamethylene diamine to form one molecule of nylon 66 with the elimination of a molecule of water. Types of polymers based on type of monomer. The first one is homopolymer. This type of polymers are made up of same monomers. For example, PVC, polyethylene, etc. The second type, copolymers. This type of polymers are made up of different monomers. For example, nylon 66, bakelite, etc. The third type of polymers, heteropolymers. This type of polymers are made up of other than carbon. For example, polypyrrole, polythiophene, etc. Based on action of heat, the polymers are classified as thermo-softening plastics and thermo-setting plastics. Thermo-softening plastics, these are the polymers softens on heating, can be converted to desired shape and retains on cooling. This can be molded and remolded. For example, PVC, polythene, etc. Thermosetting plastics, these are the polymers on heating melts, on cooling forms hard mass, on prolonged heating they chars. They can be molded but cannot be remolded. For example, polyester, bakelite, etc. Difference between thermo and thermosetting plastics. Thermoplastics, the first difference is formed by addition polymerization, whereas thermosetting plastics are formed by condensation polymerizations. The second one, thermoplastics soluble in non-polar solvents. Thermosetting plastic insoluble in polar and non-polar solvents. Third one, thermoplastics reclaimed from their waste, whereas thermosetting plastics cannot be reclaimed. The fourth difference is thermoplastics can be used and reused. Thermosetting plastics can be used and cannot be reused. The fifth difference is thermoplastics are soft and less brittle, whereas thermosetting plastics are hard and more brittle. The last one is thermoplastics softens on heating, whereas thermosetting plastics softening is not possible. Based on the structures, the polymers are classified as fibers, acrylics, polyamides, nylon, polyester, etc. After studying this, you just recall what we discussed so far. We have discussed about the polymers and simple compounds, various types of polymers, types of polymerizations, differences between organic and inorganic polymers, differences between thermo-softening and thermosetting plastics, etc. Let us try to answer some simple questions. The first question is, the example for addition polymer is, the answer is A, polythene. The second is, the type of polymerization in nylon 66 is. The answer for this is condensation. Third question is, the example for thermoplastic is polythene. Answer is A. The fourth one, the polythene is used in insulating electrical cables. The answer is A. The fifth question is, the type of polymerization in polythene is. Answer is A, addition polymerizations. And the last one is, the example for thermosetting plastic is. The answer is B, bakelite. To prepare this, I have referred these textbooks and also the internet. For further details, you can also refer these books and also internet. Thank you.